So we are going to start a new topic from our 8th class, that are metals and non-metals. So here there are 115 chemical elements known at a present. So there are similarity as well as different in the property of this metal. On the basis of their property, all the metals can be divided into two main groups. So they are called as metals and non-metals. Both metal as well as non-metal are used in our daily life. We also use a large number of the compound of metal and non-metal. Before we go further, use the definition of the metal and non-metals. We should know the meaning of this some new terms such as malleable, ductile and brittle. So, malleable means which are beaten with a hammer to form a thin sheet without breaking. Ductile means which are stretched or drawn to form a thin wire. Brittle, which means breaks into the pieces of hammering or stretching. Keep these points in mind. We will know to write the definition of the metals. So, it also classified into two types. One is physical and second is chemical. So, what are metal and what are non-metals? Metal are the elements that also conduct electricity, and they are hard and malleable and ductile. Metal are also lustrous, hard, strong, heavy and sonorous. Some of the examples of the metal are iron, aluminium, copper, silver, gold, platinum, sodium, potassium, calcium. A majority of the known elements are metals. All the metals are in solid in form except mercury, which is liquid metal. So here comes under the non-metal. Non-metal are the elements that do not conduct electricity and heat, are neither malleable nor ductile. They only follows brittle. So non-metal are also not lustrous. They have a dull appearance. Non-metal are generally soft and not strong. They are light substance and non-sonorous. So some of the example of the non-metals are carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, silicon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, etc. All these are the type of the non-metal. So diamond and graphite are also called as non-metal. Metals are widely used in our daily life for a large number of purposes. The cooking utensils, electric wire, sewing machine, car, buses, trucks, train, etc. all are made up of metals. So in fact, the list of the article made of metals which we use in our daily life is underneath. So metals are very important for the national economy of our country. The most abundant metal in the earth crust is aluminium, which constitutes about the 7% of our earth crust. The second most abundant metal in the earth crust is iron, which constitutes about the 4% of the earth crust. The major metals in the earth crust is decreasing order of their abundance are metal, iron, calcium, sodium, potassium and magnesium.